With SB19 Dam's achievements, bashers are attacking double time. Ever since SB19 released Dam and has been collecting achievements left and right, especially when the boys became the second OPM artist with the highest YouTube views, on the first day of single release, dethroning BINI ay nagsilabasan na ang mga bashers and trolls. In fact, mas lumalala pa ang kanilang ginagawa ngayon. One verified fan of this group has even purchased Dam on iTunes just to leave a 1-star review at nagkomento pa ng laging galit, nakakarindi. Verified because this has been traced on Facebook and X. And not only that, they are spamming Dam music video on YouTube. Di lang isa kundi napakarami nila. Now it's understandable that our first reaction would be to get even. Ibalik sa kanila ang ginagawa nila. But please, let's not. Let's not stoop down to their level. Kung may makikita kayong spam comments on YouTube, don't reply para walang engagement at diretso report, spam or misleading. Mag-comment pa kayo ng mga positive statements para matabunan ang mga ito. Let's make these hateful actions a motivation to strive higher for SB19. At please lang, huwag silang tularan. Hayaan silang magmukhang tanga at war freak. Eto ang isipin ninyo. Their idol has so many achievements and yet andito sila sa ating bakod. Which means they are still very threatened at hindi sila secured sa mga idol nila. Because when they are truly happy and contented, hindi na sila magbabantay sa bakod ng iba. When you are truly happy, you don't have a reason to be mean to others. Di na rin nakapagtataka kung kulang sila sa saya dahil napakaraming reklamo sa loob ng bakod nila. Now compare that to SB19 and 18. Mayroon man tayong mga misunderstandings, pero tayong mga fans lamang because of our different views and opinions. Pero sa SB19 and management, wala tayong reklamo and never did we feel used and taken advantage of. They are so generous with us na lahat ng ginagawa nila ay always high quality and yet of lesser cost. Kaya minsan tayo pa ngang nagrereklamo na baka lugi sila. They are so appreciative na sa lahat ng bagay na ginagawa nila, tayo ang kinukonsidera. Kaya let them be bitter, let their heart be filled with hatred. Huwag tayong gumaya. Instead of getting even, let's raise SB19 even more. Hindi natin masasaktan ng mga bashers sa paghihiganti, bagkus mas lalong iinit pa sila. Kaya let's hit them where it hurts the most. SB19, itaas pa ang ating mahalima at siguradong masasaktan sila. So let's focus our time, energy, and effort for them, for Simula at Wakas, and for our P-Pop King SB19.